Hey, what time is it? It's tool time. I'm Rob. This is Venturi Fab. That tasty bit of vintage JDM goodness back there is Mr. Jones. And on Tuesdays, we talk about tools. Tools that I use and find super useful. And I like to turn them on to you guys so that you can have super good, useful tools for yourself. One of those things being that a lot of people kind of gloss over, right? It's not a sexy one to talk about, is flashlights. You can't do anything if you can't see it. And flashlights can get really expensive really fast, and their quality is like all over the place, and it's not necessarily tied to how expensive the flashlight is. More expensive does not mean it's more better. Cheaper does not mean it's more worser. So I'm going to bring to you guys today what has become my go-to flashlight. I've got like 5 of these guys. So this is from Icon. I'm not going to have a link in the description. You just go to Harbor Freight, right? But watch your coupon thing from them, because I'd say like once a month, these things are on sale for like $25. And they last forever. The battery life on them is fantastic, and they've got 5 modes, right? You've got little pointer, then your big bar, which has a low and high, and your small bar, which has a low and a high. And they're magnetic, so they stick to anything metal. You can adjust the top on them. They charge pretty quickly with a USB-C cable that they come with. I've been through a lot of flashlights over the years with what I do for work, and these are honestly like the best deal going that I've been able to find on flashlights right now. So if you need some good flashlights, run down there, pick up a couple of these guys for 25 bucks a piece when they're on sale, and you're welcome. So if you don't get started getting great lighting so you can see what you're doing and build cooler stuff, you'll never get finished.